Looking for the best bike trailers for kids? You're in the right place. On this channel, we upload quality videos every day to help you discover the smartest choices for your family and lifestyle. Today, we'll show you some of the safest, most comfortable, and easy-to-use bike trailers that make every ride with your kids fun and worry-free. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful product reviews. Number 1. Burly Honeybee. What we love about the Burly Honeybee. The Honeybee is everything we love about the bee, but with the added versatility of being used as a stroller as well. While the stroller wheel is basic and sticks out on the end of the trailer arm, it easily rotates up and out of the way when you don't need it. The quality, design, functionality, and ease of use of the Honeybee can't be beat. The Honeybee is only available as a double trailer stroller. Best for families who want the option to occasionally use their trailer as a stroller. Conversion kits, stroller included. Wheel size, 20 inches. E-bike compatible, yes, 15 miles per hour max. Standout features, stroller wheel stored on tow arm when not in use. Adjustable height handlebar. Tons of storage. Number 2. Burly Encore X. What we love about the Burly Encore X. The Encore X's high quality and durable components make the trailer a cinch for parents to use and create a super comfy atmosphere for the kids. With a bench seat and a high-quality harness system, it was a breeze to get kids in and out of the trailer. The Encore X is Burly's least expensive trailer to offer suspension. UV windows and a sunshade protect sensitive skin from the glaring sun, while a perfectly designed mesh cup holder allows little ones to easily access sippy cups and snacks. All the little details done right make for an exceptional child bike trailer for a very reasonable price. Like the more expensive Burly D-Lite X, the Encore X's seat can collapse down for carrying cargo as a bike wagon. Best for frequently active families who want the best of jogging, strolling, and biking but don't want to pay extra for additional bells and whistles. Conversion kits, stroller, 3-wheel included, jogger, ski. Number 3. Haymax Outback. What we love about the Haymax Outback, sleek, modern, and surprisingly nimble, the Haymax Outback is the cool and edgy SUV of trailers. With the most interior headroom of the bunch as well as adjustable suspension, extra thick tires for additional cushioning, super plush interior, and supportive seats, this bike carriage offers an exceptionally comfortable ride for its passengers. While it doesn't perform quite as smoothly as a Burly or Thule in trailer mode, it's also significantly heavier. It's a dream to use as a stroller. The Outback also has amazing ventilation and a peek-through window up top. High-end bike trailers, multi-sport. These are the cream of the crop of bicycle trailers. They have it all and do it all. From adjustable sunshades and reclining seats to UV windows and conversion kits. High-end trailers are the most durable and well-built of all the trailers on the market. Number 4. Burly Bee. What we love about the Burly Bee. The Burly Bee is vastly superior to any truly budget trailer out there. While about $150 to $200 more expensive than cheaper bike trailers for kids, its durability, ease of use, and safety features make it a clear winner. Especially for families that will be riding at least semi-regularly, the Bee's higher-end design and features will make a huge difference in both parent and passenger enjoyment. Its overall build quality and thicker polyester fabric mean the Bee will last for many years and many kids. The Bee is offered as a single or double capacity trailer. If you will be transporting your trailer to the trails in your car, the Burly Bee collapses in just seconds. Best for budget-minded families looking for an easy-to-use bike trailer for frequent use. Conversion kits, none. Wheel size, 20. E-bike compatible, yes, 15 miles per hour max. Standout features, UV windows, solid quality trailer that pulls super smooth, easy to fold for transport. Number 5. Retrospec Rover Plus. What we love about the Rover Plus. If you're looking for a trailer that's easy to fold and keeps your little riders comfortable, the Retrospec Rover Plus is a great choice. It features a padded seat, height-adjustable shoulder straps, and a simple 5-point harness, all wrapped up in a sleek, modern design. With 16-inch tires, it's best suited for casual neighborhood rides limited to a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. If you're looking to travel a bit faster, the 20-inch tires on the Allen Premier trailer, yellow version only, bumps up the max speed to 15 miles per hour, which is the max for all bike trailers. Like many trailers in this category, the Rover Plus has a weight limit of 40 pounds per seat. However, its interior cabin height is 6 inches lower than the Burley Bee, so if your child is tall, they might outgrow the height of the cabin before reaching the weight limit.